name is Eric, and I go to Lowell High School in San Francisco, and this is my project, the ball tracking robot. So what exactly is the ball tracking robot? Well, it's a robot that tracks the ball. Duh. Anyways, the reason why I chose this project ties deeply to what I do in high school. So at Lowell, I'm part of the robotics team, and a lot of what we do is make robots, as the name implies. And last year, we made a robot that can automatically detect rings and shoot it. So I figured that this would be something very similar. So here is the example. Now it'll take a bit to load, but it'll work. So before I let the robot run loose, what it does is it uses the Pi camera right here, and it detects things that are red. And it does this by, in the code, I specified an HSV value, which stands for hue, saturation, and value. Basically, it's 3 numbers ranging from 0 to 255, and you can use it to specify any single color, or many in this case. So, once it detects the ball, which is the largest red object, it'll actually bound it in a blue circle, and it'll start moving towards it. So, once I let the robot run, you can see that the robot moves towards the ball. Now, notice how the robot stops when it's in front of the ball. And this is because, first, I don't want the robot crashing into anything. And second, I use the Pi cameras in the code to detect when the ball is too close. And when it is too close, it'll stop recording. Now, for the tracking feature, you see, if I move the ball, the robot will actually turn towards it. Now, another feature that I implemented myself is called something that I like to call last turn time. How it works is if the ball was last seen on the right side of the screen, the code will actually keep that in mind. And once the ball actually goes out of view, it'll turn that way. So for example, if I move here, it's supposed to work, but yeah. So here I'll talk about the challenges I faced. So first of all, there were hardware challenges. I wasn't familiar with any of these things, so of course learning it was a brand new thing, and it definitely took some time. But with the help of my instructors, I was able to figure it out. Now on the software side, it's something that I typically have more trouble with. However, my peers, classmates, and instructors helped me and guided me through the software process, allowing me to complete this project. Overall, at the end, my experience at Bootcamp was fantastic. I came here to learn how to make a ball tracking robot, and that's exactly what I did. I also learned about all these different new fields of engineering, which have really piqued my interest, and it has enhanced my ability to understand and learn. And in the future, as I continue my engineering journey, I hope to implement new things. Maybe make a robot that can make me coffee since I'm lazy, or anything else. And the possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for your time. And any questions? Thank you.
One big question.
Oh, yeah.
Have you thought about a real world application of this thing?
Oh, I mean, Teslas use it, right? I mean, they need to detect where the road is, they need to detect other cars. It's something that's really common in the world, and I'm sure it'll be like an uprising thing.